Hello guys, my name is Shayan Parvez and I am founder of MindcraftAI.tech. I You can log into this website and you can check by yourself my goals and my vision related to this company, or let's say startup, or let's say this MindcraftAI.tech website, anything. So in this, I'll be teaching you lots of things, starting with Python, basics of Python, then moving into the data structure and algorithm, and then let's say then going through a little bit of mathematics, then going through towards machine learning algorithm, and uh, also overall learning the complete aspect of data science. Slowly and steadily we'll be going through one by one through all these stages. The first stage is what to do now. So the first stage I have bought this book, which I'll be showing you. This is the book that I'll be learning and sharing with you. So because my ideology is that I believe that education should be free and should be accessible by all. So this book I bought for around, I think, 600 to 700 rupees, and I'll be making this content of this book explainable and very much understandable to you for free. And uh, let me tell you what I will be teaching here. I'll be opening the content page and I'll be telling you what are the contents that we'll be covering in this series. The first is that we'll be starting with introduction to Python, where I'll be teaching you what is the overview of Python. Then we'll be moving to objects. In this chapter, this book let me start again that this book contains total of 16 chapters, and we'll be going through each and every chapter one by one, and we will be understanding in depth or of everything about every chapter. And also this book has exercises, as you if you can see. I don't know if it is visible. You can see this book is having exercises. So I'll be sharing with you all the questions of the exercises of this book, as well as I'll be solving all the exercises, questions and answers. So yeah, this is going to be a great lecture. Let me tell you what all things we are gonna study in this chapter. So as I told you, this book is having a total of 16 chapters. The first chapter is about introduction to Python, where we will be learning Python overview. Then second is objects in Python. Then expressions, operators, and precedents. Uh, if you are not able to get the topics, don't be scared. We'll be covering everything in detail, so there is no need to be demoralized or anything. We'll be going into everything in complete details. Even we will be considering every minute details of this book. So we'll be going through in this chapter. The first is introduction to Python, as I told. In this Python overview, objects in Python, expressions, operators and precedents, control flow, functions, simple input and output, exception handling, iterators and generators, additional Python convenience, scopes and namespace, modules and import statement. These are the topics that are given. Then there are some illustrative programs that they have given as an example. Then there are exercises that they have given some questions like 15 to 20, 30 questions in each exercises, or let's say in some chapter they have given 50 to 50 questions. We'll be solving all these questions in every single chapter, and then we'll be going through multiple choice question. And The second chapter is object-oriented programming, where we will be learning goals, principles, and patterns. What are the object OOPS design goals, and what are the principles and the design patterns? Then we will be learning basics of software development so that we can understand what is testing and pseudocode and all these things. Then the third topic in this will be class definition. We'll be learning, and then inheritance, namespaces, and object orientation. I'll be explaining you everything with all the exercises in this chapter. Then third chapter will be the starting of the name of the book suggests data structure and algorithm in Python. So the third chapter starts with introduction to data structures and algorithm. So data is the in this the data structure, the basics of data structure, then experimental studies, and the analysis of algorithm will be studying in third chapter. Uh, then simple justification technique. Then fourth will be recursion. Then fifth chapter will be array-based sequences. Then in this we'll be learning low-level arrays, dynamic arrays, and all these things. So sixth chapter will be stacks. Seventh will be queues, and eight will be linked list. Then ninth chapter will be trees, where we'll be learning general trees, binary trees, and how to implement trees. Then tree traversal algorithms and everything. Then 10th will be priority queue. Then 11th will be map, hash tables, and sets, where we'll be learning about maps and dictionaries, hash tables, sorted maps. Then 12th is search trees, where we'll be learning binary search trees, balanced search trees, AVL trees, splay trees, 2-4 trees, red black trees. The 13th chapter is sorting algorithm. We'll be learning here merge sort. Under merge sort, we'll be learning divide and conquer, then array based implementation of merge sort and everything. And then quick sort, studying search, sorting algorithm through algorithmic lens, and sorting with parity queue. Then comparing sorting algorithm, and we'll be knowing what are the built-in functions in Python regarding to sorting algorithm. Then we'll be getting into graph algorithm, where we'll be learning graphs, data structure for graphs, how is the graphs traversal, transitive closure, then directed acyclic graph, shortest path, minimum spanning trees. We'll be learning different types of like Jiskatra algorithm, Bell-Manford algorithm, and PJ algorithm. So all these algorithms we'll be learning. Then 15th is the text processing, where we'll be learning pattern matching algorithm by brute force, by Boyer-Moore algorithm. One is Boyer-Moore algorithm, one is Knuth-Morris Pratt algorithm, which we call as KMP algorithm. We'll be learning dynamic programming, text compression, and greedy method. And 16th is memory management and B trees. So these are the things that we will be learning in this book. So you don't need to worry about things that I'll not be reading from this book. From later on, I told you that this will be the book that we will be using as a reference. You can use it, and also because I'm not promoting this book, I'm not a promoter of this book. I have bought this book, and I found that this book is quite interesting to study. So I'll the thing is that I'll not be reading through this book. I'll be reading it, and I'll be explaining it to you in this board that we have uh, put up behind me. So from next class onwards, till the time we are studying the theory of Python, or any theoretical concept will be on this board. The practical concept will be on the screen in front of you. So let's say about a little bit about me. I have been working long time as a remote developer. and what I believe that I am passionate about sharing what I learn, and also I believe that education should be accessible to all. So I think that whatever I learn, I'll be teaching you all these things for free on YouTube. It will be made, everything will be made available. You can log on to minecraftai.tech, where will be where I'll be teaching you you where these videos will be also be uploaded, and also you can learn more about why minecraftai.tech and what is minecraftai.tech. So with this, guys, that's it. So happy coding, and see you in next video. And the final say is don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and hit the red button so that you can get the notification. Thank you.